The first step to rectifying the world is knowing what needs to be rectified. The world needs a base layer where all people can submit moral corruption proofs, where they can counter existing proofs or support them and their creators by donating and therefore essentially voting. This space, a base layer for raw, uncensored information, can be implemented now with decentralized technologies. We can have a marketplace where we can group and join forces against the moral deficiencies of our society. This is what the Tikkun Olam decentralized application aspires to be. Now you will see a demo of the current version of Tikkun Olam. To see this web page correctly, we need a connection to a web browser wallet. This is the map of submissions. Here we see all submissions grouped by geographical location. If you do not see anything on the map, you are not connected to Ropsten. We can go to each place mark and see the date of the submission and some of the details, and we can click on the link to the actual submission. On the submission page, we see the creator's public key, a description of the proof, a link to the proof, legal information about the jurisdiction and infraction, time and space data, and we can see the geographical coordinates on the map. All this information has been uploaded on IPFS. IPFS, or the Interplanetary File System, is a peer-to-peer storage system, and this content identifier, along with the tag, which contains the time and space information, have been registered on-chain on Ropsten, the Ethereum test network. Now we can submit a counterproof, or we can support and promote this submission by making a donation. Now back to the initial page. We will add a new submission. In notes, you will find links to both Twitter and Facebook pages that you can follow for notifications about new submissions. We start with our Ethereum address and a description. We upload our proof. We submit it to IPFS. We set our legal jurisdiction. And the infraction. The date. And geolocation. We upload this data to IPFS and then make the on-chain registration. This means that a transaction will be sent from our account to the Tikkun Olam smart contract, which in turn will emit an event. This event is caught by our bot and displayed as a post on both Twitter and Facebook. The post contains a link to the actual submission, and we can see the details. along with a link to see the actual transaction registered on chain. Are we ready to play a role in Tikkun Olam?